Now question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. In this question, two sides of the triangle have been given. Suppose these are the two sides of the triangle. This is 18 centimeter and the other is 10 centimeter. Suppose this is side A and this is side B. C is not given to us. We do not know. So what here perimeter is 42 centimeter. What is the value of A? This is one side of the triangle. It is 18 centimeter. Now what is the length of the other side? We presume it as B. It is 10 centimeter. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the triangle. That is from this side to this and this. Total of all the three sides, total of length of all the three sides of the triangle is known as perimeter. In other words, we can say that perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. That is one side, this is B, second side, and C represents the third side of the triangle. So here we will put in the values. Perimeter 42. What is the value of A? 18. What is the value of B? It is 10. C is not known to us. 42 is equal to 28 C. In other words, we can say that C is equal to 42 minus 28. That is 14 centimeter. This is the value of C. So here we have now having the value of A, B and C. All the three sides are now known to us. Now we will use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. What is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula. Heron's formula says that area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter. S is semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? Sorry. Semi-perimeter is half of perimeter. Half of perimeter means half of total length of the triangle. The value of perimeter is also already given to us, that is 42 centimeter. So value of S will be 42 divided by 2. It is 21 centimeter. So now we are having the value of S as well as A as well as B as well as C. So now we will put in the values of all these values. We will again write here area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is the value of S? It is 21. What is the value of A? It is 18. This is the value of S. What is the value of B? It is 10. What is the value of S? It is again 21, and this is the value of C, 14. Now we will solve it. 21 it will become 21 minus 18, 3. 21 minus 10, 11. 21 minus 14, it will 7. 21, we can write 21 as 3 into 7. We will do prime factorization of 21. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is the process by which prime numbers are find out. Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by itself and by 1 only. For the purpose of illustration or clarification, we can tell you that the prime numbers are except number 1. That is, number 1 is not known as prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers which can be divided by itself and by 1 only. And when they are multiplied, they will give rise to the original number. If we multiply 3 by 7, the original number 21 will come out. Then this is 3, this is 11, this is 7. So here we have find out these are the pair. It has become pair. Now here 7 has become pair. So now 3 into 7 will come out because this is square and this is under root, and when they come out, they will come out singly, and 11 will remain inside the under root, and 21 under root 11 square centimeter. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.